5 minutes left before I'm supposed to turn off the car. It's leaking water out of the head onto the floor. Creating a puddle there. And it's still pumping out a lot of exhaust and water out the back. But people said that they've turned them off and then turn them on later after it cools off again, and it works. So we'll see what happens. It's a pretty leaky head gasket though. Looks like both sides went generally good. Yeah, you can see water right here coming out of the back of the exhaust manifold. So I'll probably ruin that gasket too. And it's on my starter. Yeah, it's just a mess. Hopefully this blows and stops it. That would be nice. This is the engine getting ready to be removed from the car and get ready for the first rebuild. It is now on the engine stand, getting prepared to be taken apart. Here it is apart. Here is the engine on the way to Selby & Sons to be honed, decked, ported, crank polished, and all the parts put together. Here are the pistons. It came back in about 100 pieces. There's the timing chain with the 2 timing marks. The engine is now reassembled, and now we are preparing it to be put in the car. Here it is going into the car. Sarah is helping me, and I got my shirt stuck under the jack, so I had to rip myself free to get out from underneath the car. And here we are preparing to start it for the first time. The engine is running. It sounds horrible, and the sound at the very end is when the engine died. Back to the machine shop again, and again back to the machine shop. 2 more times I get to go back. This is the engine all back together and running for the second time. But it had a dead cylinder, so I had to take it back to the machine shop again. Here we are, July 26, 2018. I'm in the place I'm supposed to be, behind the wheel. Engine's definitely running much better now. Doesn't feel like it's missing anymore, so that problem's been solved. Still some work to do, but it's getting there. Feels a lot better now though. But we'll get there one piece at a time. Here we go. The beast is running. It sounds much better than it has been before. The squealing noise that I was getting was a loose alternator belt. Thank God. I was really stressed out about that, thinking I broke something in the engine. But it turns out it's not. It sounds really good. It is smoking a little bit, but that could be from all the leftover oil that was in the car, and it's a little bit cool in the morning, so hopefully that will go away once the rings seal a little bit better, get broken in, since it only has like 5 miles on the whole motor. But it does sound really good. So, sounds healthy. So, and it's not knocking anymore. We have good oil pressure. So everything seems to be really good. So it's just very excited. I just need that one part to come in to see if the transmission will work. Since they had a broken valve and the transmission does run on vacuum.